for you to receive. The Bible called them familiar spirits, ancestral spirits. They are in the lineage, they are in the bloodline. They have studied everything about you. The Bible says in Isaiah chapter 4 verse 6, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Because thou hast rejected knowledge, I will also reject thee, that thou should be no priest to me. Seeing thou hast forgotten the law of thy God, I will also forget thy children. Because of our ignorance, that is why our adversary has succeeded to oppress us and suppress us and hinder us. But Apostle Paul says in 2 Corinthians chapter 2 verse 11, for we are not ignorant for his advantage. For we are not ignorant of his devices, lest he gain an advantage over us. Therefore we are going to deal with them today, praise God. We are going to shoot them out. We are going to move them out from the atmosphere, from the spirit, from the underworld, from the water, from the sea, from the ocean, from the moon, from the star, from the wind. We are going to shoot them out. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Say, oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
I command every hindering spirit resisting me. Anytime something want to happen for me, say today I command you hindering spirit be arrested and be scattered by fire. Lift up prayer. Lift up prayer. Lift up prayer. Lift up prayer. I command every spirit, every hindering spirit rising up against me, in the name of Jesus, I command you, be arrested and be shattered. Lift up prayer. Lift up prayer. Raise prayer wherever you are. Lift up prayer. Raise them away. I arrest hindering spirit. I arrest hindering spirit working against me, resisting me, stopping me. I command you in the name of Jesus, be arrested. Be shattered, be arrested, be shattered, be arrested, be shattered by thunder, by fire, by thunder, by fire. Be arrested, be arrested. We command you today, every hindering spirit, from the family, from the community, in the name of Jesus, we command you, be arrested, be arrested, be arrested, be arrested, be arrested, be arrested. By fire, be arrested by thunder, be arrested in the name of Jesus. I want us to go to the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 9.